I came into the department 2 years ago, the department is really considered to be report generators. So I asked myself, what can we do to really go to the next level? And really it was Tableau because it was automated. We can get out of doing the same thing over and over again. It's really been able to give the business a better way to look at their data.
I've actually developed many useless reports that were defined, and we went through the entire SDLC. We were produced, and then they weren't used. There really wasn't a connection between our reports. We didn't connect the dots between many of our metrics. Management would have an idea for a metric, and we generate a report. And then they'd have another idea for a metric, and they'd generate a report. And it really wasn't continuous flow.
And those reports would take over 400 steps for one of those reports just to build a portion of the dashboard, not the entire dashboard, just a portion of it. So think of it, that's literally almost 1,000 steps to build a dashboard, and that would take us days. But with the advent of Tableau, we were able to trim that down to literally nothing, because once we built it and we trained people on it, now it's self-functioning. That's been the awesome thing about Tableau. Now we're able to build dashboards that are organic, they're alive. And also the thing about it, now we're able to provide them data quicker. Whereas with that dashboard, they can only see it once a month. Now with Tableau, you can see it every day. It's automated, it's live, and they're able to make better decisions and more timely decisions. So it's helped us out tremendously.
Today, one of the things we can do we couldn't do before is we can really drill down. So we would pull data out of different systems, and the data would be so much that you really couldn't navigate through the data. If I see that there's something that kind of sparks my interest and I want to dig down, I would have to go back to that same system and re-pull that data source at a different level. But with Tableau, we can leverage the EDW and we can go as low as we need to go. And I have the ability in one dashboard to be able to see all those different levels. I've never been able to do that in the past. So from the standpoint of what can I find that a normal person looking at the dashboard will not see? So what is that small kind of diamond in the rough where I can see it, understand it, and effectively communicate that to leadership? And then from there, for them to be able to make a decision that they would have never made, that's going to drive profitability. It may even drive morale. And so if I'm doing the same thing over and over again, I'm never able to step out the box. Tableau allows us to step out of the box. It allows us to be able to look at data in a totally different way and to be able to provide better analytics, which is really what we're here to do.